Calico Ghost Town RV Park, and you can see that it's kind of a ghost town. A lot of high desert stuff. They got a good places to put your RV. They have a little amphitheater there by the restrooms for different events. There's our RV right there, sitting down below in the park. Get a little bit of a panoramic view of the park. We're at the Calico Ghost Town, and the wind is blowing 25 miles an hour. But here we go. It's kind of an old town looking place. It's kind of cute. Leatherworks, stuff going on all up and down the street. Definitely a tourist place. Got a woodworking place over there, a restaurant over here, the Calico House restaurant. Got some fried chicken dinner there, other stuff. You can actually go in and eat biscuits and gravy, lemonade, all kinds of stuff. Fire hall there. Got an old-time fire engine inside. There we go. That's looking sweet. Town hall. General merchandise store. And they got asphalt down on the road, so that's better than an old west town. Got a museum over here. Got groceries over here. Candy, clothing, hats. They sell smiles here too. Look at that. Shirts. It's a little place. Time photo studio over there. Get your nice, get all dressed up. Western. They got a stagecoach shop over there where you can get a ride, it looks like. Oh, the main stage where nobody's playing music today, but they play music. Stationery and cards over there. Candle shop. And then look at this. A little teeny tiny little...
Oh, it's mine.
Okay, a mine car, huh?
Miniature.
Yeah. There's the saloon.
Free hat with a t-shirt.
There you go. Old carriage here. Diarrhea drugstore. Is that what that says? Dr. Aria. Okay. They got a rock shop over here. Even got ready for a hanging here. Just saying. They have a gold panning adventure, mining supplies, a pottery place, blacksmith shop. Man, they got all kinds of stuff going on here. Got a church over there. Coffee, tea, and pottery. Another thing they have down below is they have an off-road RV camp. Oh, that's a pretty cool picture there. So they do some off-roading here. Looks like we're going to go into the coffee, tea, and pottery place. I see a coffin there. Yeah, he's not talking. Press something. A mystery shack. A fortune teller. Dorsey's doghouse.
GPS. Still trying to give you directions? Take it off, it's draining your battery.
A sweet shop. Looks like a mine. Stop. No public access. Of course, that's where we want to go, right? So let's...
We can't go up there.
You can go this way. Oh, look at there. Walking kind of sideways in a building.
Oh my goodness.
Exit only. Maggie mine tour
Oh,
near train.
that's where they're going.
And they have a train you can ride. Train ride. Up here at the silver mine. Got a caboose on it. So down by Campground A, they have these mine shaft looking things. A couple of them, 2 or 3 of them, in the rock face to show what the mines used to look like. And I'm going to take and explore this one. We're going to head up there and see what's in the mine shaft. Maybe they're ghosts. Maybe there's silver. Maybe there's nothing. So here we go. We're entering the mine shaft. Oh, okay. Takes a turn about 15 feet in there. Here we go. Look at that. Just carved right out of the rock. Takes a turn to the right. And then it's dark. Let's take a peek. And we've come to the end of the road. Nothing back there but bats. Take a look at that. That's beautiful. And they have a mine tour. You get to go enter the mine and check out the mine tunnel. All right, we're entering the mine tour. They didn't find any silver in this mine, but after it closed down, somebody found it just outside the mine, $55,000 worth of silver. Here we go, walking through. This is a vertical shaft. Way up there.
Somebody got stuck in here.
Oh yeah, there's a miner. Looks like he's trying to create a new hole there. Supposed to go to the right. And you can see our shadows. Let's do a, there we go. Woo, woo, woo. And then we have a shaft here. This is an ore chute.
Stand clear of 3 bells.
Communicate.
3 bells.
This part of the Maggie mine was given the name Dead Man's Drift because no mine timbers were used to support the roof and walls. This drift was cut through solid rock. In more than 100 years of use, it's nearly identical to the way it looked when it was first blasted out of the mountain.
Hard rock mining.
They've been petrified. Sleeping on the job. Frozen in time.
Oh, look, they got money.
Ooh, how'd they get in there?
People throw it and
throw it
they
in
put it
there.
up on there.
I guess
Big John.
Huh. Better lighting in there.
Exit.
Okay. Elderly and handicapped may return to in. Oh.
Okay, you gonna go up?
Yep.
Look at that long stairway. 1, 41 steps. How you doing down there?
Take it slow.
And they have an old cemetery here. As you can see, Calico Cemetary. We're gonna check it out.
Well, you can't even go in.
And
Yeah, you can't even go in.
it looks locked. We can look in.
In the headstone.
It looks like they mounded up the rocks on top of the burial plots.
Fake rocks.
Little
No
cross on the hill over there.
No headstones.
And then way back in the back, there's a headstone.
Oh,
Way back in the back there. Zoom in on that. And they have some wooden headstones. You can see a group of them there. Swing back over here. Well, we've been at the Calico Ghost Town RV Park for 1 week now. Our truck has been broken down and it's been in the shop. Hopefully it's going to be done tomorrow and we'll be back on our adventure. It's been a very restful week. We've done a lot of resting. We've been without a vehicle. We rented a truck for 1 day, went into town, went shopping, did a few things. Every day we visit the ghost town, take a walk, ride our bikes, read, etc. Sit by the fire. It's been very, very windy. Most days it's about, we've had a couple of calm days, but most of the time it's been windy. 3/4 of the time, 25 miles an hour wind, sometimes even more. But we've been here just enjoying, writing songs. Broke down in Barstow. You got to sing it with kind of a twang in your voice, though. Broke down in Barstow. If you want to do it country style, anyway. But it's been good. You know, I hope you've had a good time looking through our trip through the national parks. We're going to hopefully get back on track here pretty quick. We're praying that our truck will get fixed. Thought I'd share a verse or two from Isaiah 35. It says that wilderness and the solitary place shall be glad, and the desert shall rejoice and blossom as a rose. It will blossom abundantly and rejoice even with joy and singing. The glory of Lebanon shall be given to it, the excellency of Carmel and Sharon. They shall see the glory of the Lord and the excellency of our God. Strengthen the hands that are weak. Strengthen the feeble knees. Say to them that are of a fearful heart, be strong. I just lost all my lights. Huh. Be strong. It's crazy. Be strong and fear not, even if your lights go out. For behold, and there the light went back on. What is going on around here? Behold, your God will come. So even though we've been out here in Calico, out in the high desert, enjoying our downtime and being sidelined This little verse from Isaiah is like a metaphor, saying that we know things are bad, but the desert will bloom like a rose. So be strong and go on, for God is on your side if you are on God's side. Thanks for joining us on this little trip to the national parks. See you soon.